Hey, good afternoon. This is Coach Oglesbee here. I'm going to give you some quick tidbits about how to do your laundry at the house. So, first and foremost, what I would tell you is buy yourself a sturdy laundry basket, right? The investment will be well worth not being in the hassle. In terms of your laundry, you want to make sure that when you do it, you separate your clothes into dark, white, and like light colors. And what I do is, like if it's athletic wear, I'll typically wash that first because that dries quicker, and then I move into my cotton and my white clothes. In terms of doing your laundry, you want to make sure you check your labels. A lot of times it gives you specific instructions on how you're supposed to wash it, whether it be gentles, cold wash only, delicate, so on and so forth. Obviously, then you load the washer, and you don't want to load it too full, because if you load it too full, then it won't get as clean as what you would like. Then you add your detergent. If I were you, I would buy the pods, right? Those pods are convenient, they're quick, and most of the time they're pretty budget friendly. Then when you get done loading the laundry and you put your pod in, well, then you select the cycle that you need. For example, a lot of times I'll wash mine on cold because cold water saves electricity, right? And it also helps your clothes not fade. Then you shut the door and you start the washer. And then typically what you want to do if you're at the laundromat, you don't want to leave your stuff. But when it's finished, well, then you move it from the washing machine to the dryer. I always add a Downy dry sheet, kind of gives it that fresh smell when you get done drying. And it also helps with static electricity. And so when they finish drying, you don't want to wait. You want to take them out of the laundry or the dryer immediately. And then you want to fold them. The biggest thing is just if you'll fold them as soon as you get done drying them, it'll prevent wrinkles and it'll help you stay organized in the future.